guys, today I will be talking about the Siemens chargers. So let's get on to it. Starting back, the Siemens chargers were, I don't know, but they replaced the F59 PHIs on the Surfliner, and they're pretty much been doing good. Starting way back in 2014, my bad. They were produced to replace their old F59 PHIs because they were running during 2000s. On March 26, 2016, the SC44s were done rebuilding, and they were on renewable service on August 24th, 2017. The SC44's top speed were 125 miles per hour. Their length was 71.5 feet, width of 10 feet, height of 14 feet 4 inches, and their engines with a Cummins QSK95 and a weight of 267,000 pounds. Their horns were a Nathan K5LA. The Siemens chargers' advantages were that they were lightweight, more efficient, cleaner, and new technology and monitoring systems. Another thing that they had boards where the locations of stations and where to go when they depart or leave a station. In California, the SC44 chargers had a hump at the back of the body width to match up with the California cars. So, after the SC44 chargers were done made, Amtrak found a new locomotive to replace them, known as the ACL-42 charger. The ACL-42 had 280 pounds with a rounder nose cone and a larger sandbox and a more powerful head and power generator. A new Amtrak locomotive known as Amtrak Era is supposed to arrive in 2026 this year and it's supposed to be on the Amtrak Cascades soon. Well, that's all, folks, and that's it for the video. I'll see you later soon, and stay safe on the higher iron or on the Surfliner.